morning, everybody. It's been a while since you've seen this mug. I will update you along the way, but we're on our way to get another Subaru. I sold my STI. Best thing about this time off was we did have our baby. Baby Cam is healthy. Daddy loves you. It's just been great. It's an awesome experience. 100% recommend to everybody who's ready to have one. But yeah, just follow along. Really excited for this one. I've always wanted to do this, you know, from start to finish. So we'll get going. We're gonna go pick up Staven, pick up the trailer, hit the road. I can't see. Daddy's Hog Daddy trailer.
Go pick up another sugar.
Okay. Took me 72 tries to get in there.
Record time.
Jeremiah, better wake up. Hey Jerm, I know you're in there masturbating. Get out of there. Hey. That Cerakote windshield kit, dude. Glass coat, doing work.
The destination is on your right.
Oh damn.
25 Columbus
Here we
Street
are.
Southeast.
Look at that thing.
Arrived.
Is what we expected? Oh, it's actually not. It's not very
terrible. I mean, like the
bodies.
skirts could be, you know, they could have been painted better probably. Like,
They're paint matched.
but they're paint
Ish.
matched.
Look at those sick wheels. So exhaust, trans, extra bumper.
Yeah, like that's not terrible by any means. It doesn't seem like any crazy damage.
No engine in it. It's actually a clean engine bay. Not too bad.
Yeah. Just pressure wash it.
God dang.
And that was like, it was all messed up, right? The body.
Can't unlock the driver door, but the passenger door works. Yee! Dude, oh shit. It's actually not as bad as I thought.
The black, I don't know if this is standard, but like black door panels and black interior. Black.
Dang. Same steering wheel.
These are the same seats in my Forester.
Really?
Yeah.
I got the same steering wheel on the old Sty. Dang.
This is super sick.
I wonder, like.
Love that.
Oh, fuck. Actually, I'm keeping that, dude.
Sweet red paint. He says he has a new one of these, right?
Yeah, it's in the back.
What's this?
I think it's for the mirrors.
Oh, weird.
And it's got a auto dimming.
Is that like an option or just like an upgrade?
I don't know.
Apparently Kevin Miracle distributed. Oh, look at that little guy. Gift with purchase.
5-speed trans. Dang. Said it's like making a grumbling noise, like a bunch of vibrations or something. So might need rebuilt. Linkage. Oh, alternator under there, brand new.
That's pretty cool.
Does it have a rear diff? Yep, rear diff's in there. Dude, overall, I'm pretty happy with it. So yeah, that came with a new glove box, radiator and fans, axles, fog light cover, front spat. Looks like an up pipe, header, intake manifold, spray painted red. Or is that an STI manifold? No, I don't think it is. Oh, 4WX. Sick. Looks like, is there injectors in there? Still some injectors. Are those STI pink injectors? Maybe?
They're pink?
They are pink.
Does that mean they're STIs? I don't know.
I mean... Damn, can't wait to get all four wheels looking the same. Like the left front. Hogs loaded. Bed full of parts. Not here, I don't think. But much cleaner than I expected. So, no complaints here. Got the, I don't even know, my 8th Subaru sticker. But yeah, overall, can't complain. only gonna make about 400 wheel, okay? That's limit.
Famous
Max
last
limit.
words.
Last time went overboard. This time Cam's picking out the parts, so if it gets over 1,000 wheel, it's not my fault. It is not my fault, Franny. We're gonna hit the road, get some food, get some killer burger. Jeremiah, you suck. Thanks for showing up. It's awesome. Glad you're just laying in bed being lazy. On our way.
Hi.
Go buy Jeremiah's favorite food. Jeremiah didn't show up because he's dumb. He has other friends that he cares about more than us, even though we've worked on every car for him in his entire life. Goes out and buys a $1 million brand new Toyota Tundra, and now he doesn't need our help anymore, so. Some big meats. Dang, looks like it is the trailer wheels on the car.
The big.
All right, the car is back home. It is pouring down rain. We did have to load it up really fast into the garage, or unload it, put it in the garage. Quick rundown on basically what came with the car, and I guess what we expect from it. It's straight. The body's straight, everything's good. It needs a complete engine. It came with a 5-speed transmission that needs to be more than likely rebuilt. The engine will, you know, go about that at another time. I'm not sure exactly what the plan is. I really don't want to get too far into this one, but we'll see how that goes. We have 2 bumpers. The front bumper on the car is just wrecked. It's like a fiberglass bumper, and it looked like it just hit something and just exploded. So they came with like an extra one, a different color, but we'll probably get it painted because it'll do. Just get some spats. It came with some, so hopefully they'll work. I'm gonna try and budget this as best as I can. I don't want to, you know, spend a bunch of money on it, but I do also want to make it how I want it. So I mean, that may be very contradicting. The car did come with a catback exhaust. The full interior is a little bit dirty. Other than that, it has a stereo. It has like an 08 to 14 STI steering wheel, which is pretty cool because it's kind of like a touch from my last car, and I really like those steering wheels. And the interior is good, and that makes me really happy. None of the moldings are ripped off. Paint match side skirts. You have 4 wheels and tires. There's one of them in the back has a flat tire or the wheel's bad. I didn't really get any information on that. So I mean, all in all, really happy with what the car came with and what it is. Because the other car I got, the Blobeye, was just trash. You know, not trash, but it was pretty beat up. It would have took a lot of work on the exterior to get it kind of where I wanted, but this one it's totally fine. So we'll just, you know, slowly work at it, get the engine bay nice and clean and ready for. I wanna get it repainted. You know, that's the first thing I want to do. I want to get it looking nice, but I've never done paint work or preparation for paint, so I'm gonna have to do a lot of learning and research on what would be best and find somebody who can paint the car for me. I'll probably do the same color, but we'll see. I do want this to be my daughter's car one day, but I don't know. I'm not sure what she'll like, obviously, when she's older, you know, but it's just something to keep me going. I couldn't go away. I tried to go away from having a car, but you know, I'm really happy with the purchase. I think it's going to be awesome. But, you know, I'm glad you guys are still here, you know, subscribed. So if you did like the video, go ahead and like it, and I'll just keep looking for more videos. I'll do my best to keep them out, but this one's going to take a while for sure.